Assalamu alaikum dear students. Good morning. Hope you all are good. Today we are going to start unit number 2, lesson number 1, the three little goats, and page number 6. In this lesson we will discuss about Mrs. Berkey and Mr. Berkey conversation through a phone call. Here Mrs. Berkey asking to Mr. Berkey about his work, about the bridge, and Mr. Berkey is asking about the family and about their children. Now let's start the reading. Mr. Berkey is calling Mrs. Berkey. Mrs. Berkey, how are you? Mr. Berkey, I am fine. I can't talk for long. Mrs. Berkey, are you in the mountains? Mr. Berkey, no, my mobile does not work in the mountains. I am in town today. Mrs. Berkey, how's the work? Mr. Berkey, it's going okay. We are collecting material for the bridge. Mrs. Berkey, what's it made of? Wood? Is asking a question. Mr. Berkey, no, it's made of stone and steel. What's everyone doing at home? Here, Mr. Berkey is asking the question. Mrs. Berkey, Saira and Imran are doing their homework. Nadia is reading her new book. She does not talk, she does not sleep, she just reads all the time. Mr. Berkey, say hello to the children. I must go now. Mrs. Berkey, good luck with the bridge. I hope it does not fall down. Now I am going to highlight the dictation words. Please highlight these words and note them on your notebook. These are the dictation words: calling, mountain, collecting, material, stone, wood, reading, children, luck, bridge, fall down. Please note them. Please come to the question number 2. Read the dialogue again and answer these questions. After reading the paragraph, answer these questions. Now I am going to share the answer keys of these questions. Now I am going to share the answer questions of unit number 2, the three little goats, lesson 1. So let's move toward the answer questions. Our first question is, can Mr. Berkey use his mobile in the mountain? So the answer is no. He cannot use mobile in the mountains. Our second question is, what is Mr. Berkey doing today? The answer is, he is collecting material for the bridge. Now come to the third question. What is Saira and Imran doing? The answer is, they are doing their homework. Now come to the question number 4. What will the bridge be made of? So the answer is, bridge will be made of stone and steel. Question number 5. Why does not Nadia talk much? So the answer is, Nadia is reading her new book. She just reads all the time. I hope you people will understand the answer questions, so learn them and write them on your notebook. Now come to the page number 7, unit number 2, lesson number 2, words building material. Here is a statement. Listen to your teacher and find out the building materials. Then listen again and repeat the words. Number 1, wood. Number 2, stone, steel, plastic, bricks, glass. Now I am going to repeat the words: wood, stone, steel, plastic, bricks, glass. Now repeat the words. Now come to the question number 2. Read the statement. Use the new words from exercise 1 to complete the sentences. For example, old bridges are made of stone or wood. So the statement is, today long bridges are made up of steel. Write the word steel here. Number 2, high buildings are made up of dash. So write the word bricks here. As you know that high buildings are made up of bricks. They are not made up of wood. So, third statement is farmhouses are usually made up of wood. As you know that farmhouses, so they are usually made up of wood. Number 4, windows. Windows are made up of wood, bricks or steel, and glass, of course. Imagine the sketch of a window in your mind, and you have noted that windows are made up of wood, bricks or steel, and glass, of course. Number 5, a small hen house is usually made of wood. So write the word wood here. Note down the words carefully. So, dear students, learn unit number 1, unit number 2, lesson number 1 and lesson number 2 carefully. To start lesson number 3, confusing words, page number 12. Now discuss the confusing words in detail. Words having same sound but different spellings and meaning are called confusing words. This is the definition of confusing words having same sound but different spellings and meanings are called confusing words. Here we will discuss the words like to, and two. They have same sound but different spellings and have different meanings. For example, I am going to school. I am reading a book too. Two cats are drinking milk. Now discuss these words in detail. First, the use of the word to. To is used before destination and many other things. To is used before destination and many other things. For example, I am going to park, I am going to swim, I am going to school. These are the destinations. So here we will use the word to. T-O-2. Now the other word is to. T-O-O-2. To is meant is also, and to is also used to describe the intensity of a thing. For example, I like mango, but I like apple too. Because it's used for the also, so you will write the word to, T-O-O-2. And next for the intensity, this is for the intensity, so this bag is too heavy. This bag is too heavy. Number 3, T-O-O-2. 2 means number 2. Example, I have 2 shirts. I bought 2 lollipops. There are many confusing words in English vocabulary like effect, accept, etc. Let's discuss the exercise to properly discuss the confusing words. Let us understand. Filling in the blanks with the correct word from the ones given in the brackets. The hen laid dash eggs. So here we will write the word 2 because it is about the number. So you will write the word T-O-O-2 here. The postman delivers dash letters. This is also about the numbers, how many letters and who delivers. So you will write the word 2 here, T-O-O-2. Number 3, he left the party early because he had dash picked up his sister from the school. So you will write the word to here because this is about the destination. Write the word to here like this. Can I have an ice lolly? Dash 2. T-O-O-2. This is for the word also. So you will write the word to here. Filling in the blanks with either to or to, write the sentences in your notebook. Out of the dash dozen glasses, we bought 6 fell and broke. Out of the 2 dozen. It is about numbers, so you write the word 2 here. They gave up the idea of going out because it was dash dull. This is for the intensity, so you will write the word 2 here, T-O-O-2. After dash years, he will join college. This is about the number. This will about year. So you will write the word 2 here, T-O-O-2. I bought dash pens for myself. So you will write the word 2 here, T-O-O-2. Now let's come to the page number 13. Complete these sentences with either to or to. Number 1, he wants dash read a story. So, he wants to read a story. I wonder how long it will take us to reach there. So, write the word to here. This bag is dash heavy to be carried on the shoulder. So, you will write the word to here because it shows the intensity and the heaviness of the bag. I love playing the piano too. So if you also like to play piano, so you would write the word to here. Statement number 4. Complete these sentences with to or to. Here you will discuss about to or to. Copy the sentences in your notebook. Robert has made up his mind dash go to Japan. So this is about the destination. So you will write the word to here, to. He will go for dash week. So this is about the week. So you will write the word to here, to. He is going dash stay in a hotel. So this word is hotel. So you will write the word to here, to, because this is a place, this is a destination. He will buy dash cups for me. This is about the number. So you will write the word to here, to. Extended exercise. Read this letter, copy in your notebook and complete it by adding either to, and to in the bracket blanks. Dear John, December end is a time to wish each other Merry Christmas and also to welcome the new year. We are planning to have a big party in our house. Mom and Dad have invited their friends. They have told us that we can invite our friends too. This word also, so two. You and Tony are my two friends. This is about the numbers. My sister Anne is also inviting two of their friends. Please join us for the party. Your friend Eric. Understand the concept of confusing word clearly.